Hi guys, it's Dean here from the Strike Engineering Department. What we've got in front of us here is the new Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2. It's a new rugged tablet from Samsung. It's waterproof and dustproof, good for the commercial industry. And the Strike Alpha cradle for it. So I'll just open up the box here and we'll see what's inside. So this is the Pro install version of the cradle. So what it comes with is a swivel mount. There's a swivel mount there, and so it clicks onto the back of the cradle with these four lugs here, and then it can be either screwed or stuck to your dash for a nice clean looking mount. And then also professionally installed behind the dash can be this DC-DC power pack from Strike, the fastest in the world. It's got 5 volt 3 amp output, and is also compatible with Samsung's fast charge. However, that won't be used with this Tab Active through the pogo pins. So this is the cradle. Plastic off of here. This is the cradle here, quite similar to the original Tab Active cradle, obviously, with a few adaptations for the Tab Active 2. We've got the pogo pins down the bottom here that the device will simply slide onto. Obviously it's not connected at the moment, so it's not powering up, but obviously it would if it were to be. That's what it looks like, and then on the back here there's other mounting options. We've got amps patterns and VESA patterns that are just simply screw in, and then as an optional extra there's also a metal mounting bracket that can screw onto the back for your high vibration scenarios, trucks and vans, etc. And then amps patterns on the back here to use any heavy duty mounts that you may have. So that's the Tab Active 2 and the Strike cradle. We're very excited about it. I hope you like it.